All right. So let's start the event by welcoming the chief guest for today, Sir उमेश रस्तोगी जी. Please, सर आपसे शुरुआत करेंगे हम आज की इवेंट के लिए.
Okay, should I start?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay, first, very good morning to all of you, and thanks for giving us this opportunity. Let me congratulate you all of you because this is a good program. In fact, program very close to heart of Nehru Science Center also, because we consider ourselves as one of the pioneer institute who has introduced the quiz for school students. I don't know how many of you are aware about this fact, but we are having one of the world's first children's science park, and this was dedicated to the people of Mumbai and people of the nation in 1978 or 79, I think 79, which was International Year of Child, by one of the quiz winner of our annual science quiz program, Miss Meena Mahajan. And she is right now, I think, working with one of the reputed institute in computer science in Madras. In fact, when we had Silver Jubilee celebration in 2004 of Science Park, we invited her, and she was really amazed to be with us, and it was really motivational for children. Congratulating all of you, those who are participating and those who will be winning that in advance. Congratulations. Okay. So thank you for this Delhi World Public School and all their teachers, especially Sahil sir, for giving us opportunity to Nehru Science Center, and for me also to be part of this. Yes, Sahil sir has shown his certificate.
Yes, this is what I was just mentioning.
Which he has participated in that. Yeah, we give online certificate to all winners as well as sometimes participants also. If number is more, maybe 10%, 20% top, they can get certificate on that. So keep on participating, students, with us also, and all the best those who are participating and will be competing for this quiz. Okay, once again, congratulations and thanks a lot.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. We have got Dr. Anita Agrawal, ma'am, from Eva World School. So a few words from you, ma'am.
A very pleasant good morning to each and everyone present here. We are very fortunate enough to have Rastogi sir, a very fantastic personality for this quiz event. And so thank you so much for giving us your valuable time and gracing this occasion. Thank you, our quiz master, Sahil sir, Anita ma'am, Asma ma'am, and all my wonderful kids here. Very good wishes from all the entire team. Thank you so much.
How to take your leave, because as I told you, we have a 11:31 online virtual visit by one of the school. So
okay.
Perhaps so I have to interact the teacher.
Right, sir. We could understand your business, your involvement in education, and that is really helping all of us. So thank you once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So that was Umesh Rastogi sir joining us from Nehru Science Center. And with that note, we will just quickly introduce the teams that we have today who have qualified from the prelims. They have made their way to the finals here. And today, being 28th of October 2021, we welcome everyone to the quiz, which we call it as the WIP Smart Minds. And that is the English team which has given us the name and the title. So this is the collaborative effort from Eva World School, Delhi World Public School, and SKS Academy. And with these schools coming in, it's a group of schools that we have. So wonderful team. All right, next one is the Smart LX. Okay, so you can Google it out. I did that when I came to know the name of this. So these are smart individuals who can answer on the spot. So witty people here. You have got Swasti and Kanak Arya from Delhi World Public School. So we have got Swasti and Kanak. Yes? Swasti, are you there? If you could wave on screen.
Yes, sir.
All right. So thanks for doing that. Smart Alex. Coming to the masterminds from Eva World School, we have got Pranjal and Aditya Sinore. Mind Bogglers is our next team. Harshit Bangera, and we have got Dev Dharmik from Eva World School again. Welcome Dave, welcome Harshit. All right, so no negative points, no negative markings. So we will start with our first team, which is Triviaholics. Triviaholics, your first question will be on the screen now. Find the odd one out. Looking at the theme of technology and sports, you need to answer the question. Mohammad Sayed and Aman Patel, both of you are in the same team. Yes, Mohammad, go ahead.
The blue one.
The blue one. Okay, why, Mohammed? Why the blue one?
Because all of them like Chrome, Opera, and Mozilla Firefox, and this is the one that's different from them.
Okay. Yes. Should we go ahead with that? Blue one. The blue one is the right answer. Fantastic team. Great opening. First question and first right answer. Really doing well. First, okay, that's a good start. You have fantastic. Next question for the team, Smart Alex. Smart Alex, your question. Find the odd one out. You have given 4 logos, 4 images. You need to find the odd one out. So we have got Swasti and Kanak Arya to answer this.
Sir, the first one.
The first one, Kanak and
Yes, sir.
Swasti. Are you both telling me the first one?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what is the first one?
Sir, it is images.
Okay. And what about the other 3?
That
Sir.
for meetings.
Sir, the other 3 are used for meetings.
Oh, fantastic, Kanak. That's great going, teams. All right. So 10 points for Smart Alex. Masterminds, your question is on the screen now. Find the odd one out. Python, HTML, Scratch, LAN. Pranjal and Aditya. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, it is Scratch.
Scratch. Okay. Pranjal, do you agree with him?
Yes, sir, I do agree.
Okay. Scratch, in fact, is used for programming. HTML is used for programming. Python is used for programming. So the correct answer would have been LAN. Okay. Next question for mind bogglers. Harshit and Dev. Identify and reason the odd one. So there are 3 personalities I want you to identify and also tell who is the odd one from them. Technology question. Harshit and Dev, tell me. All right, so time is up. Anybody who wish to answer this? So no points and no negative points. Okay. Asma ma'am, you want to give a try?
So I guess he's someone who is to do with the CEO of Google.
Yes, he is the CEO of Google. That's correct. Find the odd one out. Australian Open, English Open, French Open, Wimbledon. This question is for Mohammed and Aman Patel, Triviaholic team from Delhi World Public School. Any guess? There is no negative points. If the timer goes off, then you don't have the opportunity to even guess. So be quick, give it a try. These are sporting events, and the image is going to tell you something more about what are we talking about. What is the odd one out? Australian Open, English, Wimbledon. Quickly, give it a try, give it a guess. We are not asking for the reasons here.
Sir, is it French Open?
It is French Open. Mohammed, are you going with the guess?
Yes.
I think it is English Open.
Aman is guessing English Open. Mohammed is telling French Open. Which one should I lock? Tell me one.
English.
English Open.
English Open.
Anita ma'am, should we be giving them 10 points for that? For the guess?
I think yes, because both of them agreed for English Open.
All right, 10 points. 10 points to the team for telling it or making a right guess. English Open. Smart Alex, your question is this. Find the odd one out. Cricket, skateboarding, football, archery. Which one is the odd according to you? And tell why is it odd?
Sir, I guess the second one, skateboarding.
Okay, Swasti, are you confident about it?
Sir, the
Yes,
first
correct.
one, cricket.
Cricket. Okay, why? Okay, so now you have to tell me now. Decide and tell me, team, which one you want to go ahead with, and you can give your reasoning to your partner. Give your reasoning.
Because the sign given at the side is of Olympic and cricket is not played in Olympics.
So your partner have to give a thumbs up or give a nod for that, or she may.
Yes, sir. I will go with cricket.
You go with cricket. That's fantastic. Team trust here, and that's correct. Absolutely correct, Kanak. Well done. Cricket is not a part of the Olympic sports, and that's the correct option and the correct answer. 10 complete points for the team. Great doing. Next question for the masterminds. Find the odd one out. Aditya and Pranjal, odd one out from these 4 images which have been given here. La Liga, Le Tour de France, Champions League, Premier League. Which one is the odd one? So we are all talking about football.
Sir, I think a late date Tour France.
Okay, why do you think so, Aditya?
I think it is Premier League.
Okay, Pranjal. Okay, Pranjal. Now you are getting a twist here. Okay, so which one should I lock now? Is it Le Tour de France or Champions League? Which one should we lock?
We'll go with Premier League.
Okay, let's lock Premier League now. And Premier League is a sporting event for football. La Liga is also for football. Champions League is also for football. Tour de France is a cycling event. As you can see the logo, somebody is riding a cycle with that orange color wheel ahead of him. Can you see that? Right? So that is a little unfortunate, Aditya. Let's move on to the next one with Mind Bogglers. Mind Bogglers, Harshit and Dev. Find the odd one out. Citus, Altus, Fortis, Julius. Dev? Yes, Dev. Go ahead.
Sir, I think it's Julius, like the fourth one.
Why so?
And sir, because the other 3 things are the more like faster, higher, stronger.
That's absolutely correct, Dave. You got 10 points for your team. Congratulations. Triviaholic, this is for you. What is the full form of PDF?
Sir,
Yes, Mom.
it is photo document format.
Photo document format. B is the correct one. 10 points for portable document format. That's PDF for you. Next question for the team, Smart Alex. Smart Alex, next question on the screen is for you. Which social approval from National Payments Corporation of India? So now you can not only send images, chat, but also you can pay somebody using that app. That's a very recent update.
So WhatsApp.
Who is that? Swasti?
Yes, sir.
Very confident about it?
Yes, sir.
All right, Kanak, your partner,
Yes,
you are
sir,
going ahead
WhatsApp.
with that? Or WhatsApp? Absolutely correct is the answer. 10 points. Great going. Masterminds, next question for you. Yes, in pole vault, this is a game, pole vault is a sport. What material is used to make the poles? So the poles that you see that has been used in the event, what is it made up of? Is it made up of carbon fiber? Is it made up of wood? Is it made up of flexible plastic, or it is made up of steel? What do you think this material, what is the material? I know, Pranjal, you're good in science.
It is carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, 10 points for that answer. Very good, Pranjal. That's excellent. Next question for mind bogglers. Mind bogglers, your question is on the screen. Harshit and Dev. Which country participated in Cricket World Cup after the apartheid ban was lifted? After that boycott was lifted, this country was allowed to participate back in cricket. Which country are we talking about? We're talking about World Cup 1992. So Anita ma'am, we would request you and Asma ma'am to change up the, and we would get ready for the next round. So you can stop sharing and yeah.
Okay, Triviaholics, all three correct. So 30 points. Smart
Wow.
Alex, at par, again all three correct, 30 points. Masterminds, 1 correct, 10 points. Mind Bogglers, 2 correct, 20 points. No need to worry, we have more wonderful rounds, so you can like score up. Okay.
With that note, I think we will be able to start with the buzzer round. So teams, are you all ready? Are all ready for the buzzer round? Yes? All right. So let me just clear. So after every question, we will just clear. I'll write it clear on the screen so that we know who is the first one to write A after the clear word being written there. So the first question is on your screen now. If you understand the question, you can you can go ahead, press the buzzer and tell me the answer. What's common between them? What's the common thing between these two wonderful women, sportswomen? We have got A. Harshit has got first. Okay, Harshit, over to you.
So they both play tennis.
They both play
Tennis.
tennis. Are you
Yes,
sure
sir.
about it?
Sorry, badminton.
Are you sure about badminton? You have to tell me one. They play one sport which is common to them. That's right. But which sport is that? Quickly. Dave,
So
you can.
badminton.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, badminton.
Badminton.
Yeah, sir.
Absolutely correct. They both are badminton superstars of our country, PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. Right? Both are, you see, gold medalists that we have to honor the country. Perfect. 10 points for the team. For the team, I should say. Which team is this? Mind Bogglers. Mind Bogglers, 10 points to them. Next question on the screen. The question is, who was the captain at that time? Dev. If Dev is unable to answer, we will go to Aman Patel. Tell us, Aman, who is the captain 2011 India World Cup?
Or MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni is the correct one, but the time is up. No points will be given. No negative marks for Triviaholics, but -5 for Mind Bogglers. Who was the organizer of this Olympic Games? You have been given a hint. The image itself is a big hint.
Sir, can
Little
I
bit
tell?
of history. Yes, Harshit. Yeah, you are the one who have raised the buzzer. Yes, Harshit.
Sir, I think it's Hitler.
Hitler. Right. Which country?
Sir, Russia.
Country. Hitler's country. The organizing country. Harshit, you are correct. Hitler is absolutely correct. I will not give you negative points, but tell me the country and take 10 points. Take the organizing or tell me the party.
Sir, I think it was the Soviet unit.
Is it the Soviet Union? Was Hitler?
Sir.
Dave, you can help your partner.
Yeah.
So the Nazi parties something.
Nazi party, okay. So is it Nazi or Soviet? Tell me one thing and I'll freeze it now. So
Sir,
for
you
sure
can
you're
take
not
mine.
getting. Yes, Harshit.
You can take what Dave is saying, sir.
Okay, so Dev is correct this time. It is the Nazi party. You get 10 points for that. So, all right, what is this? Who is this mascot? Name this one. Very recent, 2018. Russia 2018 mascot. Aman, we will go with you this time. Yes, Aman, tell me. Who is this mascot?
What's the name?
Quickly, you have raised the buzzer. It will be -5 if you are not able to answer this. Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Who is this? This is a mascot of 2018 FIFA World Cup. What is name of this mascot?
Zabi Waka.
Zabiwaka is the right answer. It's Zabiwaka. It's written there. It's written in the on the screen itself. Zabiwaka, but that's in Russian. So unfortunately, we're not able to understand the Russian language. But that's Zabiwaka. So 10 points for your team, Aman. All right. Next question on the screen. Which IPL team is missing in the image shown on the screen? Pranjal, Aditya, final word from you. Otherwise, we would have to move ahead.
We'll go with Gujarat Lions right now.
With Gujarat?
Yeah, that's not there.
Okay. All right. So can we go with the Gujarat? Was there a team from Gujarat? Gujarat Lions? Yes, there was a team called as Gujarat Lions. Complete 10 points to you, Pranjal. You saved your teammate here. And with that, you get 10 plus points. All right. So buzzer round. How is it going, team? Are you all like enjoying it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, everyone. Because
Yes,
some of
sir.
you are not, is there anything that you wish to have a sip of water or something? Or you need a handkerchief to, get your sweats away? All right. So if you all are ready, then we will go ahead with the next question.
Sir, you did not clear.
Acha, oh, that's nice. Thank you for that. I will not give you any points for that. All right. So that's clean and clear. All right. With that, Asma ma'am, please go ahead with the next question. What's happening here? You have to describe this image. Very analytical question. Go ahead, give it a try and describe what's happening here. Harshit was the first one to tell me. Swasti, you need to be really quick in pressing the buzzer. Harshit is.
Sir, they are playing chess.
They are playing chess. And what's happening there?
Sir, I think the black one is losing.
Okay, who is losing to whom?
Ma'am, the black one is losing to the white one.
Black one is losing. But I see the game is not even started, Harshit. But the thing is, what I wanted to know is, who is this deep blue? Dev. Yes, Dev.
So it's like a computer. The carry Kasparov is like matching with the computer. Doing a matching.
Okay, that's correct, Dev. That's absolutely right. What are these? I really need to see hands raised here now. Mohammad Sayed, you have raised your hand, but you have to type an A there. Mohammad, tell Mohammad. Go ahead. Quickly, Mohammad.
The two in between, the one Windows, Apple, Android, and the penguin is the different one.
So you are telling odd one out from them?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Aman, you want to add something to it?
So the last icon is of Python.
The last icon is of Python?
Yes. And the first is Windows, second is Apple, and third is Android.
Okay. Harshit, you were the next one to raise hand. Harshit, we over to
Yes,
you.
sir. So Windows is the AI in the programming in the laptops, and Apple is in mostly in Apple mobiles, and
Okay.
the Android is in some mobiles, and there is iOS in some mobiles.
Okay.
And so the Penguin one, I think it is one of the operators of China. In China, there is no Google and all, so I think this is the one.
Okay. Okay. Not quite sure about that. Teams, you are all guessing, it seems. Pranjal, you also raised your hand. Go ahead.
So the Windows is usually in computers. Apple, on other hand, has MacBook as well as its own mobile phones.
Okay.
Android has its own mobile phones, and
The last one. Why are we stuck with the last one? And that is what I wanted to know. And anybody could crack the last one, 10 complete points to them.
Sir,
Yes, Dev.
so the last one, its name is Linux. Its name is Linux.
Okay. So
And
what are these four then? What are these four? If last one is Linux, तो ये चारों है क्या?
Sir, these are systems which we can run.
What are these systems called?
operating systems.
Yes, Pranjal, but you all right. So I think no points to anybody. Okay, but interestingly, you see, you know Windows, you know Mac, you know Android, but there are operating systems other than Windows and Android and Mac also. Well, Linux is one of them. Okay, so this is a technology quiz, guys. So Linux, you have also Ubuntu, you have got other, Red Hat and all of that. So a lot of variations there in the market. We need to really look into those aspects as well. So no points for anybody. Okay. We are still yet to crack these questions. Next question on the screen, and I'm writing clear on my chat box. Okay, next question. What's happening here? This is the latest thing which has happened. Any correlation, anything that you see. What's happening? Harshit, very good, Harshit. Go ahead.
Sir, this is about hackers taking data from people.
Okay. And what is that application called? It was in news. Harshit. Yes, Harshit. It's your question. You have to answer this.
Sir, which application?
Yes. So you are very correct. You are 5 points. You are getting 5 points for what you said. Right?
Sir, can I say?
These hackers who are doing that.
Sir,
Yes, Mohammed.
Is it Pegasus?
Yes, it is Pegasus, the application that we are talking about. So we share 5 points and 5 points between Harshit and Mohammed Sayed. So both the teams get 5 points for that. All right. So with that, I think we are coming to the end of the buzzer round. The last question will be on the screen. Okay. Last question on the screen, and I'm writing clean here. All right. So tell me, what is this? Okay, we have got who? Okay, tell me please, who was the first one to hit the buzzer? Asma ma'am, no, Anita ma'am, can you tell me? Dr. Anita ma'am, who was the first one to hit the buzzer in your chat?
Pranjal.
I only see Harshit's name.
Pranjal.
Harshit? Okay. Harshit, it's you again.
Yes, sir. So this is the check that Google does, and many of the websites do, as in a person is a robot or not.
Perfect, Harshit. Very well done, Harshit. 10 points. Excellent.
Excellent,
I think
Harshit.
Pranjal, you were a little late to answer this. Well done. Mohammed Sayed, well done. But this time Harshit was faster and quicker to hit the buzzer. Should we take one more buzzer question, or we should end it here?
No, one more.
One more?
Yes, sir. One more. Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a last try then. Let's take one more question now. What are bits and bytes? I am hungry now.
So you haven't typed clear.
Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Is it Harshit again? Okay, Harshit, go ahead.
So bits and bytes are the types of storage. There are megabytes. There are gigabytes also.
Okay. Anybody who differs from this?
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
The bit 30, the computer resolution.
Computer resolution. Okay.
And
Mohammed.
byte.
All right, Mohammed. You need to learn from your elders. You need to learn from Harshit this time. Okay, Harshit has given the perfect answer. It is the memory. It is the memory a computer has in terms of bits and bytes, zeros and ones. Okay, one bit is, one byte has 8 bits in it, as you can see it on the image. So that is a complete storage. And Harshit, you are perfectly right on this answer. 10 points for that. With that, we bring to the end of our second round, the buzzer round. So can we have the scores? We request Anita Arya ma'am, to give the scores to us.
Okay, we got the changes here itself. I thought it would be in the third round. So
Okay.
buzzer round, Triviaholics, it is 45. I mean, in buzzer round, they scored 10 plus 5, 15. So the total score is 45 for them. Smart Alex could not open the account for the buzzer round, so they are still with their 30 points, 3-0.
Okay.
Masterminds are 20, 10 plus 10.
Okay.
They could answer here. Now, here the leading ones who could actually make up are mind bogglers. So it is 20 plus 40, 60.
Oh, mind bogglers. You're really boggling all the minds out here. 60 points. You're leading the camp suddenly. From 20, you have moved on to 60. And this is all because of Dave and Harshit. The kind of teamwork that they're showing is marvelous. It's amazing. Fantastic. Aman and Mohammed, not bad. You are just 15 points behind them. The last round is again a game changer. Okay, that is going to be, will be getting 1 minute time to answer as many questions as possible. So try not to waste your time and go ahead. Don't wait for your teammate to give an acknowledgement or say, if you know the answer, go ahead, tell me, and then we would go ahead with the questions. Fine. So the last round that we have is called as the rapid fire round. So Asma ma'am will set a timer. It is going to be 1 minute that you will be getting 1 minute, and you will be getting 8 questions in that. Okay. So that is how the round is placed. 8 questions. First five questions will be from sports category, and last 3 questions will be from technology. So 5 plus 3 questions you will be asked. If you are taking a lot of time, you might end up, having only 3. Somebody's microphone is on. Okay. So you will be getting 8 questions. Maximum is 8 questions. And if you take a lot of time, it might be 3 questions, 5 questions, depending on your speed, right? So you have to be really quick on your toes and give the answer. No negative marks. No negative marks. If you don't know the answer, tell pass. Pass, we will switch to the next question. Okay? Understood? Okay. So let's go with the order and the sequence of the team. So Triviaholics, we will go with you first. Aman and Mohammed Sayed, both are ready. Ready? You have to be quick. You have to unmute yourself. Keep yourself unmuted only. Don't mute yourself. Keep yourself unmuted. And when the buzzer starts, I will start asking you the questions, and immediately you have to reply. All right. So if the buzzer says set, Asma ma'am. then we can start with 1 minute time.
Sir, do
Okay.
we have to raise hand before unmuting?
No, you don't have to raise any hands because this is completely dedicated to you, right? So that is absolutely for your question. So other teams will not give any answer. So just remember that other teams need not give any answer. But because if it is for mind bogglers, then only mind bogglers need to give the answer. If anybody else gives the answer, I mean, they should not be doing. So everybody is on mute. Only one team is going to give the answers. Asma ma'am, you can look at the okay, fantastic. All right. Okay. So can we start with Aman and Mohammed? Your first question is okay. When the timer is there, rapid fire. After how many years FIFA World Cup is held? After how many years? 2, 3, 4. How many years? Or you can say pass.
Sir, 3.
No.
4 years.
The famous boxer Mary Kom. From which country is she? Mary Kom. Mary Kom, the famous boxer, is from which country? Is Kabaddi the national sports of India? Yes or no?
No.
Correct. True or false? When Snapchat was created, the app was called as Peekaboo. True or false?
False.
Incorrect. Which country calls football as soccer? Which country calls football as soccer?
USA.
USA, correct. The time's up. Time up. Okay. So I think they gave two correct answers. Yes, two correct answers.
The last one, sir.
Last one, USA.
Yes, sir. Do we consider that? The time was
We did consider that. So first one, they said 3 years, which was incorrect. Mary Kom is from India, which they didn't answer. Kabaddi one, they said no, which is correct. So 1 point for Kabaddi. And the next question, which was the Snapchat, which they said, so that was incorrect. So I think the third one, soccer, USA, I think 3 correct answers there.
So they crossed the time.
That's what I'm asking, sir. They crossed the time. Should we give marks for the last one? My question is that.
Okay, Dr. Anita ma'am, if they cross the time, do we consider them to give the answer?
So I think it was just by a fraction of seconds. We can consider them.
Okay, so ma'am is very generous here, our principal. All right. So that's great. All right. So 10 points more. So 3 correct answers in that case. Next team is ready. Next team. Which is the next team? Smart Alex, Swasti and Kanak Arya. Kanak and Swasti, you need to be very quick now. Just go near the Wi-Fi and stand there and give the answers. We don't want any delays now. Okay. Fine. So let's set the timer, Rasma ma'am, and then we can begin with the questions.
We can start, sir.
Yes. The first question is, which country won the first T20 World Cup? Which country won the first T20 World Cup, Cricket World Cup? Next question. Which sport is performed by legend Muhammad Ali? Muhammad Ali plays which sports?
Football?
No. Which country won the most FIFA World Cup? Which country the most FIFA World Cups? Football World Cup. Which country? No? True or false? Instagram does not allow you to post photos via desktop. True or false?
False. False.
That's true. Who is known as father of computing? Father of computer.
So time's up.
Time's up. Kanak and Swasti, I said you need to be unmute all the time. Okay? So you need to be unmute on the time and you need to be quick. And if you don't know, just say pass and move ahead. So because you have got more questions to come, you have got maybe the next question is easy, right? So there were other questions which could have been, you would have known the answers. We don't know, right? Okay. So no problems, no scores to add up after the first round. Right. The next team is Pranjal and Aditya Sinor. So both of you, are you ready? Unmute yourself and be ready.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, Asma ma'am will set the timer. All right. So you can share the screen, ma'am. So here we go with the next round, the second last team to play rapid fire round now. All right. So here we go with the first question, Pranjal and Aditya. The first question is, who is known as Flying Sikh?
Mika Singh.
Correct. Does the 5 ring in Olympic flag represent 5 continents? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Currently, Cristiano Ronaldo is playing for which club?
Pass.
Pass.
Okay. Which computer language was designed to extract data from database?
Pass.
SQL. Paint was the first computer graphics program. Yes or no?
False.
Yes.
No. What is URL?
URL is Uniform Resource Locator.
Uniform Resource Locator is correct. Who is the nickname God of Cricket? Who got the nickname God of... Yes?
Time's up.
Time's
up, sir.
Okay, Pranjal, who is known as God of Cricket?
MS Dhoni.
No. Okay, so it's okay if the time is up. It is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And also in one of the questions, Paint was the first computer graphics program. Pranjal said no. Pranjal said no and Aditya said yes. But Pranjal was first to say no. So we will consider that one first. And that is a correct answer. So that's a correct one. We will give a point to that. So Flying Sikh, Mika Singh, that was correct. 5 rings, continent, that was correct. 2 correct. Cristiano Ronaldo, they passed on. Sachin Tendulkar, they didn't answer that. Uniform Resource Locator, so they give that one as correct. Okay. And the paint one, they did it correct. So 4 points, I think 40 points they should be getting in this round.
Yes, sir.
So masterminds are getting 40 points here. That's nice. Pretty well. Well done, team. Coming to the mind bogglers, the final set of questions will be asked to the mind bogglers. Let's see if their minds are only boggling or they are quick in answering the questions as well. So if the timer is set, we will go ahead with the mind bogglers now. Are you ready, Dev and Harshid?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the timer is set, we will start with the first question for the mind bogglers. The first question is this. Usain Bolt is famous for which sport?
Running.
Running, sir.
Correct. Did India ever win men's hockey World Cup in Olympics? Did India ever win? Yes, that's correct. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018?
Pass.
Pass.
True or false? Narayan Karthikeyan was the first Formula 1 driver from India. True or false?
The true.
Correct. In which year was Google founded?
So pass.
Pass.
Okay. Which education board has launched the mobile application Dost for Life?
Pass.
Okay. First computer virus. Name it.
Pass.
Which country does Leon Messi plays for?
So the time is up.
Okay, time's up. Tell me, which country does Leo Messi play for?
Manchester.
I'm not sure.
Manchester.
No, country. I'm telling about country, not the club. Any which ways, it was Argentina, and you didn't give the answer. So Usain Bolt was correct. 10 points for that. Men's hockey, you said yes. India did win 1, so that is again correct. 20 points for that. Then you said who won the World Cup? FIFA World Cup 2018. It was France. Okay, you should know that. No points for that. Leon Messi, no points. Karthik Gyan, you said yes. He's the first Indian to play or to be participate in first Formula One driver from India is Narayan Karthik Gyan. That's true. So you get that point as well. Google was founded in 1990. So that is okay. So you didn't get any. In terms of education board, it is CBSE which is on the app. Yes, Pranjal. Is it Pranjal?
No, sir. Asma ma'am was.
Okay. All right. So it was kind of a buzzer. Asma was telling, says stop. Time's up. Okay, it's 12:30. Okay, right. So that is what. So we will come up with the final set of scores, and we will have the winners been announced today. Who has actually won the quiz today, which is the Whip Smart Minds that we were playing for this academic year. I hope you all enjoyed the quiz. Did you all enjoy the quiz? Irrespective of who is winning, who is losing, and how many points you have scored. Did you all enjoy? Okay, that's great to hear. So what did you enjoy the most? Tell me that. Meanwhile, Anita ma'am is calculating the marks. Yeah.
So the rapid fire.
The first
The
round.
rapid fire, the minute one.
Rapid fire.
Yes, sir.
Rapid fire. Okay. Kanak Arya would definitely say the first round because some of us like to be composed, like to be natural, not to go little haywire. So that is the comfort zone for few. Some people like Harshit are very quick to answer. So definitely Harshit would love the buzzer round, right? But Kanak on the other way. So we have different styles of learning. We have different personalities, but the thing is not to be getting disheartened. We need to really read more books, really need to learn from the newspapers, from the news channels, what's happening. So tell me, what's happening in the cricket world nowadays? I know Aman would go for that.
T20 World Cup is going on.
T20
India
World Cup.
lost.
Yes, sir.
India lost. So that is what we remember. Okay, it's unfortunate.
With 5 overs.
You see, sometimes, especially with the captaincy of Virat Kohli, they start little slow. And then you will see the strong India coming up. So we all are hoping, cross our fingers, to see India come up against New Zealand and very high chances of India qualifying for the semi-finals or getting shortlisted for the further matches. Right? So, right. Same thing, you must be like Virat Kohli, you have got KL Rahul, everybody is in form. But sometimes you not win, but that doesn't make us down, correct? So today we don't know who is going to be the Virat Kohli or who is going to be MS Dhoni, who won the 2011 World Cup, right? Or Kapil Dev, or the first World Cup that India has won. Okay, so we really don't know. We are waiting for Anita ma'am to do all the maths, and we know she's very quick in that. All right, Anita ma'am, Dr. Anita ma'am, our principal, please, if you want to add something, to say something to the children.
Very happy for the entire quiz been arranged, especially by Sahil sir, Asma, Anita Arya ma'am, and all the teachers. Team, you guys have really done wonderful. Losing or winning is not the entire thing. Somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. but there's a lot of learning experience that has to come from every competition. So be in a sportive mood, be in a sportive spirit. So take things lightly if you're losing, but take a good learning out of everything. I think a lot of questions we knew the answers, but many questions we did not know. So as rightly said by Sahil sir, we need to inculcate the habit of reading a lot, watching news channels, not your other channels, but watching news channels, reading regularly, and updating ourselves maybe in computers, maybe in technology, maybe in sports. And that's the need of the hour. So that's what I would like to say, my dear students. You have done a wonderful show. So nevertheless, the scores are going to come up, but it was a great learning experience, at least even for me. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, Asma. Thank you, Anta ma'am, for everything.
All right. Thank you, ma'am, for allowing us to get these things arranged and planned. Vandana ma'am is not there, unfortunately. But as a team, it's a
Yes.
team event wherein every teacher has contributed. So one of the things I would like to share with everyone is that, you would get a message from Priyanka ma'am, Nafisa ma'am, or Gayatri ma'am, irrespective of which grades they are teaching or which section they are teaching. If they come up with a good question, they would ping, like, sir, can this question be added in the quiz? So the quiz questions that was designed, it is a contribution, it's a work of all the teachers there. Navjot ma'am, for that matter, she was very instrumental in terms of your 6, 7, and 8 and 9, the secondary section of the quiz, the technology part of it. In terms of suggesting the theme itself, Anita Arya ma'am suggested sports to be, as a theme. So you see, every bit is a contribution from the team, and I really am thankful to have such a wonderful team.
Yes, very
That we
vibrant
are
team.
able to, go through. And yes, and at the end, it was all about learning, all about excitement, and excitement to read more. So even if you are winning the game, it doesn't mean that there's a stop here. You can go for the Olympiad exams, you can go for other quiz competitions. And as you know, in the beginning of the session, we had Umesh Rastogi sir from Nehru Science Center. Not to forget that the link that has been shared in the chat, and we will also circulate it as a technology. You see, some institutes are really using the technology to their fullest, and Nehru Science Center being one of them. So do go to their Facebook page and see every week. Sometimes I get so excited and I play the quiz there. And as sir was telling, certificate that you get, that's just joy that you are getting. But the learning that you keep on getting from these power institutes, is tremendous. So over to you, Anita Arya ma'am, for declaring the results and announcing the winners today.
Yes, sir. But before that, I would like to add, the one who has childlike enthusiasm in our team is none other than Sahil sir, actually.
Yes, rightly. Totally agree.
Yes.
Totally agree.
It's all because of him that we
Yes.
all also get charged up.
Yes.
And yes, support and help of ma'am is definitely there. So it's all because of our team that, yes, we get to do, and you all come
Very
across
true.
with this good competitions. Now for the scores, again, yes, see, we have a change. I'll begin with Smart Alex.
Oh.
Okay. Smart Alex could not do it, but it's okay. We learned something. They stand at the 4th place with 30 points. Then we have the Masterminds, who could make up in the last round. So they reached with total of 60 points. Masterminds.
Okay, Pranjal and Aditya Sinor, 60 points. That's nice.
Nice. Good.
Second is Triviaholics with a total of 75 points. So definitely the winner is Mind Bogglers. They have been mind boggling with 90 points.
90 points. That's a big
Very
difference.
good.
That's
Very
50
good.
points. So Mohammad Sayed and Arman Patel, second position, but you all really played well. Okay, Mohammad especially. Coming from tying up with your subordinates, so the teams that will be designed, right? So you have got 6 and 9 coming together. Grade 6 and grade 9 team together, and then 7 and 8 was together. So with that combination, Mohammad, you have done really very well. Really would like to appreciate that. And Harshit, was really mind-boggling today. Never knew, Harshit, that the quizzing thing in the Harshit's brain. So we are the first to pick that. First time we got to taste that quizzing brain, Harshit. So really very happy and excited, and to see you more in such of a quiz competitions ahead. All right, fantastic, Anita ma'am. So here we got winners Harshit and Dev, right?
Yes.
From Eva World School, the winners. And the second is Aman and Mohammed Sayed from Delhi World Public School. And others also, you all are winners because you all cracked the preliminary round.
Yes.
So somewhere we all are winners and we all are learning in this journey. All right. So with that, can we conclude? If anybody wish to speak anything, Kanakarya or Pranjal or Swasti, Mohammed, Aditya, anybody, Dev wants to share anything, go ahead. It's your platform. If you wish to share, go ahead and share.
It was fun. We got to learn many new things which we did not know about.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, then let's close it here. Sir, loved the quiz. Okay, Mohammed, we really loved the excitement and joy that we all could bring in together. And fine, I think that's it from our end. Anita ma'am, we will just, with your permission, we'll just wind it up.
Yes,
and
sir.
we can just stop this. And all the best, all the very best, and we'd
All the
love
very
to
best.
see you for more quizzes ahead in the school.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you,
bye-bye.
sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, we have to jump now to the next quiz, 1 and 2.
Yes,
We
sir.
have Shreya ma'am. Yeah, Shreya ma'am's link is what we will follow.